Hey, welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. In today's video, I have a great after Christmas decoration sale. This morning, my husband and I were at Walmart and at Meijer. We got to Walmart and stood in line at 6 a.m. Just before they opened, and we found lots of great deals that were 50% off or more. And then we headed on over to Meijer and just grabbed a couple of things. Let me share with you the great things that I found. We'll start right here with this little gingerbread calendar with the countdown to Christmas. 2 reindeer. This farm fresh Christmas tree sign. 2 green reindeer. 4 candy tins, 2 snowflakes and 2 flowers. Some candy treat bags, and then some white and red candy treat boxes. And then I found this larger box that's red striped as well. My husband found this massager. This thing was on the 50% off rack at Walmart. We got this for $24. Dollar Shave Kit. This was on the clearance rack as well. I think it was $6. I found 2 of these silicone mats. I couldn't believe that these were included in the 50% off, so I went ahead and grabbed a couple of those baking mats. A Christmas cutting board, a Dear Santa cutting board, and a piece cutting board. This stuff here in the middle of my table, that's just a tablescape that I bought earlier in the year. I got all this stuff from Ollie's and Walmart. Moving on, we bought 3 ornament holders and 1 wrapping paper holder. Some 4 larger cookie or holiday treat tins, 2 in the teal color and 2 that are red with black and red ribbon. I bought these, they're actual cup. These are measuring cups and measuring spoons. I bought 6 appetizer plates. These were on sale for $1. 3 of them say cheer and 3 of them say peace. I think I'm gonna go back this week, and if they have any more of these, I'm gonna grab a few more. But I thought these were a really good deal for $1. 9 by 13 baking dish. A platter. Another platter that says Merry and Bright. A mixing bowl. I bought this punch bowl set. It has 8 of these mugs with the tin lid. They're all shaped like Christmas trees. It has a little spout. The top of the Christmas tree is down here in the bottom. It's secured there, but that would turn up. So I got 8 of the glasses for $1.49 each, and I got the punch bowl. I think it was less than $9. These were also on clearance. They are Ziploc plastic storage. These were $1.84 each. They don't even have Christmas decorations on the bowls, just the bag or the packing is Christmas, but they were both half off. And then I bought, I'm trying to get out far enough. And lastly, I bought this 9-foot mesh garland. It also lights up. It was on sale for half price. I got this for it was $39.98 regular, so half price would be $20. And it lights. I'm gonna put that around my TV next year, I think. And that's a wrap on our after Christmas decoration haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you and your family had a wonderful holiday, and I hope that you're having a great time getting geared up for New Year's Day. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next video.